Let's get started. Question number 1. Which sentence is in the present continuous tense? She writes a letter. She wrote a letter. She is writing a letter. She has written a letter. Answer C. She is writing a letter. Question 2. I to the store right now. I go. I am going. I went. I have gone to the store right now. Answer B. I am going to the store right now. Question 3. They dinner at the moment. They are having. They have. They will have. Or they had dinner at the moment. The answer is A. They are having dinner at the moment. Question 4. Which of the following is not in the present continuous tense? He is reading a book. She is playing soccer. They were watching TV. We are studying for the test. The answer is C. Question 5. She TV right now. She doesn't watching TV. She is not watching TV. She has not watched. Or she not is watching TV right now. The answer is B. She's not watching TV right now. Number 6. Your homework. So we say, are you doing? Or do you doing? Or we say, did you do? Or is you doing your homework? The answer is A. Are you doing your homework? Number 7. A new house this month. We are building. We were building. We build. Or we have built a new house this month. The answer is A. We are building a new house this month. Number 8. Which sentence is in the correct form of present continuous tense? He's swimming in the pool. He swims in the pool. He is swimming in the pool. Or he swim in the pool. The answer is C. He is swimming in the pool. Question number 9. The kids outside because it's raining. The kids is not playing. The kids are not playing. The kids not playing. Or the kids are playing not outside because it's raining. Answer B. The kids are not playing outside. Number 10. It right now. Does it rain right now? Is it rain right now? Is it raining right now? Or has it rained right now? Answer C. Is it raining right now? Don't forget to write your score in comment section. Thanks for watching.